Hello and welcome everyone to this week's COT review. I'm Thomas from COTbase.com. Today we're going to have a look at the 22nd COT report in 2015, and as usual we're going to start off with the changes in commercials positions. So here we go. As you can see, we've got NASDAQ on top of our list with a 53% change in commercials positions. We've got 26% change in large speculators and 35% in small speculators. These changes, of course, as you may see on this 52-week time range, are definitely larger than average. Of course, they are bearish COT change signals. We do see greater changes sometimes in this past 52 weeks range. So we can say that it is a signal to be watching. That should be watched at. 5 years chart is the next chart where we're going to have a look at this COT Extreme. Here you can see we are moving towards bearish extreme levels, but nothing unusual, not a large extreme. So it's really the change that may affect prices in the near term, if at all, of course. Soybean oil is our next market. We have a 34% change in commercials positions, 29% in large speculators. You can see the changes over here. These are definitely very large changes. Again, bearish changes, of course, possibly affecting prices in the near term. Not surprising after such a rally, but let's have a look at the 5 years chart and see the extreme over here. As you may see, the bearish COT extreme is widening, and as it is, prices are going higher and higher. Now, we talked about soybean oil a few times in the past couple of months, and it was very interesting to see prices so low and having a bearish extreme. But anyhow, that's the case. At least we see a bit of a rise. So maybe by the time we reach an all-time COT extreme, a bearish one, prices would be at such a level. Lumber, our next market, 22% change over there. You can see the change size over here. Again, bearish COT changes. Similarly to soybean oil, we have prices rising. Let's open the 5 years chart and see how extreme lumber is at the moment. You may see we're moving away from bullish COT extreme levels, and you can also see that this COT extreme was effective, and the past few weeks prices have reacted to the signal. Let's move on and have a look at large speculators COT extreme, where we have a New Zealand dollar on top of our list with all-time COT extreme. Not only in large speculators, but also in commercials, as you may see. So let's open the 5 years chart right away. Here we go, and you can see this extreme on a wider time frame. What a beautiful extreme, of course, bullish one. And as you may see on the chart I'm showing you, these COT extreme signals were pretty effective in the past, so we should definitely have an eye on the New Zealand dollar. Orange juice is our next market with 612 report extreme in large speculators positions. Here we go. Again, bullish COT extreme, no question about that. Small speculators are basically zero, neither long or short, but commercials and large speculators are definitely at their extremes. So another market to be watching, with, of course, as you may see, very good support levels not that far. Soybean oil we talked about, so let's jump over that and see corn, which is going to be your last market for this review. Here we go. You can see a 70 report extreme in large speculators positions. You may see it roughly over there. So a bit over like 1.5 years time. Of course, you can see that was a bullish COT extreme, pushing prices a bit higher. Now we're basically there, and we see prices lower than the last time. I wouldn't jump into this market. The extreme may widen even more, but anyhow, it's a market that we should be looking at in the next few weeks, maybe. Okay, that is going to be all for this review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I hope to see you next weekend. Have a great week. Have a great weekend. Take care. Goodbye.